What's up, guys? Here's another video of great content with Prime UFC 300. We're gonna taste test it today. See how it is. Well, these are hard to open. My hands are sweaty. Open, please. I just kind of wait. Just pull out a chair and just sit and eat my meat pie. It's sour. I can taste something. It tastes like a little bit of cherry freeze and sour.
Gus is the worst at guessing flavors, so don't take his word for it. What do you rate it?
At least an 8 out of 10. Shout out to Parley for getting this. I can taste something. It's a little bit of a G-U-S, yeah.
Now you tell him to subscribe.
Subscribe, or I will eat you.